My name is Lily, and today I will tell you about how to create and manage users in Picvario interface. In the Picvario interface, go to User Profile, System Settings, User Management, and Users. To add a new user, click on Add User. A new user card will open. Fill out the information. At the bottom of the pop-up screen, we have Admin and Active. Admin status grants the user rights in both the admin and user interface. This status allows the users to view and edit assets and collections, as well as to perform actions in the admin panel. Active toggle shows the current status of the user. When turning on, the user is active and authorized to use the system. When it is turned off, the access right is suspended. Deactivating the active status does not lead to the deletion of the user's account. It can be reactivated at any time. Once you're done, click Add. Administrators can add new users or send a user an invitation link. To create an invitation link, go to Invite by Link tab. By following the link, a user can register and get access to the Picvario workspace. Once a user is registered, the administrator will get a notification by email of the new registration. We can also create a user in the admin panel. Go to Users, Add User, and save. Typically, a window will appear. In the window, there will be a permissions panel, which allows you to configure the user's status. Active, the active box shows the current status of the user. When it is ticked, the user is active and authorized to use the system. Stuff status, a user with this status is granted access to the admin console. Super user status, by ticking this box, grants the user all the rights in both the admin and the user interface. This status allows the users to view and edit all assets and collections. The group panels serve to make the users part of one or more groups. Being part of a group means sharing the rights assigned to all members of that group. To delete a user, you click on their name and turn off the active toggle. We do not recommend deleting users permanently in the admin panel, as that will lead to the deletion of all assets and other settings this user has made. Now we will discuss managing user groups. Create groups of users if you need to allocate different sets of rights to different departments, teams, or divisions within your organization. This allows managing access to certain assets within your archives. You can add groups both to the Picvario interface and the admin panel. Manage access rules is only possible in the admin panel. Creating a user group in Picvario interface. Go to User Profile, System Settings, User Management, Groups. Now, click Add Group. A new group card opens. Fill in the group name and comment if necessary. If the default group toggle is enabled, all users fall into this group. The default status will be applied to several groups. Click Next and add users to the group. Let me add myself. And then we click on Create Group. To create a group in the admin panel, go to your admin panel, go to Authorization and Authentication, select Groups. Click on Add Group, fill in the name of the group in the name field, check the checkbox Default Group if you want to set it the group as a default. Click on a Save button to save the settings and return to the list of groups. Once this group has been created, access rules should be configured. After that, new users can be added to the group. Picvario has preset groups in its workplace. You can use these groups or delete them and create your own. Unverified, this is the default group. All users fall into it. They have the right to view assets with watermarks. If the watermark feature is enabled in the option system settings. Contributors. Users of this group can view assets and upload them. Users read and download. Users of this group can view assets and download the original file. Editors. Users of this group have full access. To delete a user group, tick the group you want to delete and delete selected users in the action field. Make sure the right users have been ticked and then click on Go. Once you're ready, in the admin panel, click that group to be deleted and select Yes, I'm sure. As well, you can manage organizations. Picvario users can be arranged not only into groups, but also into organizations. How to create an organization. Go to User Profile, System Settings, User Management, Organizations. Click Add Organization at the top right corner. Fill out the organization card. Click Next to add users and click Create. The system will check the uniqueness of the organization by name. The administrators can see if a particular name already exists in the system. For each organization, Picvario allows to create access rules. In that case, all users who are a member of that organization will be assigned those rights. The user rights are a combination of personal rights, group rights, and organization rights. There is also user verification. Picvario has an option for self-registration of users. The administrator should confirm the affiliation of the registered users to organizations to which they choose to subscribe to. To that, please follow the following steps. Under Users, select Filter and click Yes for Unverified, and then click Continue. You will see a list of all unchecked users. These users will have an exclamation mark icon beside the name of their organization. Click on Unverified User. That editing window will pop up. If the organization is named correctly, click Confirm and save. That will be all for managing users, groups, and organizations. Have a good day. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any further questions. Thank you.